Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Gillian with a G, and dare you spell it wrong. Today we are doing another foundation review. Yes, I'm doing another foundation review. I've seen that you guys actually like my foundation reviews, so I'm going to keep on doing them and keep on finding affordable, budget-friendly foundations that still make you look like a $1 million, baby. Today's foundation that I will be reviewing is Rimmel London Lasting Finish. Ta-da! So I actually saw this foundation on my friend's Instagram. She's a makeup artist and she swears by this foundation. So I was like, let me try it out. I have absolutely nothing to lose. The best thing about this foundation is the following, as I'm going to read on the bottle. It has a lasting finish of 25 hours with comfort serum. I mean, wow, Rimmel, you guys really pulled all the stops. It has SPF 20 and skin perfecting full coverage foundation. So it comes packaged in a glass container. So it's packaged in a glass container. It is very, I feel like a little goes a long way. I haven't tried it yet. You see, I haven't even opened it yet. So this is like first impression, and it's going to be honest impression. This foundation actually retails for 179.95 Rand at Clicks, but when I bought this baby, it was 30% off at Clicks. Guys, when I say I'm a budget queen, I mean it. Budget queen. Me, I'm a budget queen. So I just opened it like that. It has a squirt, which is amazing because I love squirts. It's so much hygienic for me. So it has a squirt, and then let's get started. So the primer that I'll be using today is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. This primer is amazing and it has a bit of glow in it. So that's what we're using. Gosh, hair. As you can see, I didn't conceal my dark marks because this says it's a full coverage foundation and I want to try it on its own and see how the coverage is. So I have a little, what you call it? I don't know what they call this. I'm trying to be professional here. So I'm just going to squirt a bit on here. Yo, can it just come out? 1, 2, like that. And this, I'm actually in the color Warm Honey. And before I go in with the foundation, I'm using a sponge. And then I'm going to use my Avon Mark Setting Prep and Setting Spray. This is just to wet my... And then I'm in the color Warm Honey, and that's the color that I'm using. So I'll be first applying the foundation on the right hand side. So here it goes. The undertone is not doing the parts to be done, like, and I feel like it's a bit darker than my skin, and I hate a foundation that is darker. Okay, so I just finished applying the foundation on my right hand side. So on camera it looks like the foundation is blending very nicely, but for me, I mean, it says full coverage. One application is not full coverage, so I'm just putting it out there. So one application is not full coverage. That's a bit of a bummer because I don't like thick foundation on my skin. I don't like building like too much. And then I blended it out onto like my chin, neck area, but it still has like an orange undertone. So I'm gonna see how it oxidizes into my skin, and then I'm just gonna finish the rest of my skin. So I just applied the foundation all over my face. What I'm going to do right now, this is only one coverage, one layer, and as you can see, still no full coverage. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight, contour, do like the 360, and then I'm going to get back to you and I'm going to show you how the foundation sit after I do my whole routine. So what I did, I just finished off my face. I put this together. The foundation is not too bad right now, I feel like, because I did something to my face. But as per usual, you know what it is, we are doing a weight test. Yes. So actually right now, let me check what time is it. Right now at this very moment it is 10:31 a.m. and now this foundation is supposed to be lasting finish for 25 hours. Will I keep my foundation on for 25 hours? No, because I get clingy, and like actually some of us do like sleeping. So I'm gonna keep it on as long as possible, and starting now. So let's go. So I am home, so we are checking in. Yeah, I still have the foundation on. I feel like it oxidized very nicely, but I still feel like I look a bit dark. Yeah, as you know, we are doing the wear test, so let's see what time it is. It is currently 15:23. So yeah, I had this foundation on for a while, and like I said, I'm gonna see how long I can actually have it on. One thing that I've noticed is it's not oily, so that is a plus, and it's not like smudging and stuff, and it's not cracky lacking. So I like that though. But we still got a few more hours to go. So I am checking in again, and it's currently 8:28 p.m. and I still have the Rimmel foundation on. I am loving it. It's not shiny at all. I still look good. I could go out if I wanted to, but I'm gonna head for bed right now. So yes, and this is my weight test with Rimmel. Personally, I actually like this foundation. I was very skeptical at first because it had like an orange undertone, but throughout the day it actually set very nicely. It blended in very nicely. I think I used 3 pumps for my whole face, so that's quite a lot, and it shows that a little goes a long way. But I do feel like for the foundation to be very effective, you need to be able to blend it in with other products, and that's what I loved about Rimmel. So be sure to check out more of my Insta stories or any videos that I'll be doing where I'll be using more of the Rimmel foundation. Well, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Until I see you next time. Bye.